just made an unmanned vehicle which can be controlled using a mobile application, and I just couldn't stop myself to share with you guys. So this is my car which I made. So first let's talk about this front part. So I used unmanned robot builder motors to build this. So here you could see 2 motors and then 1 battery. And this is the steering part, this is the motor part, and you could see there is gears there. Now I'll show you all the connections what I've done. So here is the wheel. It is connected to one of these pieces, and then on this top it can move these wheels using steering, and this is the Mindstorm's steering system. Now let's see the back. The back part has a gear system. Here I attached a small gear to a big gear so that there will be more torque as well as height of the wheels. So now you could see here in the middle that I have a huge battery. So all these motors are connected to these ports. You will see here these 2 ports are for charging and these 2 ports are for connecting. Yeah, so now I'll tell you how to control this vehicle using the mobile application. So first we have to switch on this thing. So it switched on, and let us connect the phone with our vehicle. So here you go. So now I'm opening my robot, and you could see all these options here. The link is in the description below. So first you have to make sure the battery is on, and now you would see here there is a thing like that, like Bluetooth. Then for me, my name is MI Robot Builder, so I'm just connecting it. So it's synchronizing the data between the 2. Okay, so the rocker mode we have to take. This rocker mode is our console for the day. So you could see, hey. So now let us see whether our program works. So front, you will see the back motor is work. Now back, side, you would see it gives a special sound like this, indicating that the motor A, B is stuck. And you will see in both the sides. And now let us see whether both of them work at the same time. So let's turn this and go. That works. So now let us have a ride until. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. In today's video, we have seen one unmanned car which can be controlled using a mobile application. Hey, who is it? Oh, is the car coming? Oh, so sweet. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and do hit the notification bell so that you could get notified whenever I upload new videos.